Hey guys, hope today we're going to be doing a repower on this Husqvarna YTH 20K46. It's 46-inch deck, which I didn't get with the tractor, still at the customer's house, and it's got this 20 horsepower Kohler single. The motor's blown, which I find is common on these new Kohlers. Very cheap engines in my opinion. But we're going to be replacing the engine today. Tractor's fairly new, it's not that old. I'd say looks like it's maybe a 2005 or something. It's not that old. I don't know. But anyway, we've got over here this battered Huskee that runs perfect. It's got a 14.5 OHV Briggs and Stratton. These are normally very good motors, and this one runs very well. So we're going to swap them over. I'm going to get this tractor in there side by side with that one, and we're just going to start swapping stuff over. So alright, I'm going to have to pull this tractor in there because it's just too sloped to push it uphill by myself. So alright. Alright guys, we got both tractors in the shop, and I'm going to start by removing the engine on the Husqvarna. I won't show it on camera, but basically to remove the engine on one of these, you just disconnect all your wires from the harness to the engine, disconnect your muffler, or rather unbolt your muffler, 2 bolts, one there. Unhook your throttle cable. Probably going to have to take the stack pulley off. Yeah, I'm going to take the stack pulley off. And then there's 4 mount bolts. You just get an impact wrench and just whip them on out. And the process for this one is similar. It's going to be 4 bolts. It's going to be a stack pulley, muffler that's got to be unbolted, wiring, and of course, yeah, the fuel lines. This one's got an independent choke cable, which I think is cool. You don't find that too much on single cylinders. So we're going to have to swap that over to this one, which won't be hard because if this engine had a 2-cylinder, choke would have been right there in that hole, so yeah, fit right there. Alright guys, I'll turn the camera back on once I've got the engines removed. Alright guys, got the engine off that tractor there. And I got the engine unbolted from this one. It's just sitting on the frame. So we're going to go ahead and lift it off and set it on the Husqvarna. Hopefully we won't have to drill in any new mount holes. We'll soon see. Oh, hold up. What do we got connected? The lights. zip ties holding the wires down. There we go. Well. Just going to cut the wires. Seems like our mount holes are going to line up. Yep. Seems like they're all lined up. So I'm going to have to do a little figuring on this wiring here. See, the plugs are different. The wiring should line up though, so we'll see just how much we got to do to it. But I'm going to get the motor bolted down, and I'm going to start tackling the wiring. Alright guys, did a little bit of research and studying the wiring harnesses, and what I concluded was the purple wire is a positive wire, the red one's a negative. So just, you know, and then these, of course, on a Briggs and Stratton, it's red and black. So, you know, just matched them up. Connected the red one to the purple, and then the beige whitish one to the orange. And I confirmed by doing a test that the alternator is indeed charging the battery. So this is basically it. Just gonna wash the tractor off real good, and you'll be done. Be ready to go back to its owner. So alright guys, I'm gonna wash the tractor off camera. So I'm just gonna end the video by starting it up and driving it around. Still don't have the choke hooked up yet. It's hydrostatic. I've got the vice grips on the deck handle because the deck's not on it, and there's a safety feature that won't allow the engine to start if that's not all the way back. Lights work. Oh, they do. They did. Oh, there we go. Not very bright. Pedal hydrostatic. See, there goes the safety feature for the mower deck. Shut the engine off. Anyway guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See everybody later.